Let's have 3 lines. 2 lines, 2 lines. Okay, military position. Show. Ready? Move. Move. Under.
Mano.
Okay, let's pay respect to instructor Dan. Ready? Move. Nice to JoJo. Ready? Move. Nice to Fred. Ready? Move. Special guest doing every ball. Ready? Move. Already tough. Okay, you guys gonna probably just kind of warm up for about 5 or 10 minutes, okay? And then we're gonna sit down.
The date and time has been corrected. August 25th, 1994, 5:54 p.m.
Handling of the weapons from the single pistol all the way down to the dagger. Okay? If you drop your stick or your knife and you don't do some kind of a constructive pickup, you fail the test. Remember that if you drop that weapon, either you roll or pick it up. Don't stand there and get stunned. Once you drop your weapon, you've had it. That's it. You failed the test. Any question on that part of the test? Okay, when you guys doing your carrera or something like that and you forget a move, keep going. Don't stop. Any questions? Weapons. Mickey Mirror. Okay, when we call different weapons up, you want to drop yours. Where's your weapon at?
Just go here.
Put him in front. And you go with your single baston. Ready? Go. Okay, the single bolo. Single knife. I want to see different handling of the knife. Para dagger. Okay, sino mo ulit bawis on. Welcome, Mano. Want to see the triglotto and the triglotto movement? More, stop. Dagger, dagger. Okay, Kunta with we want to see circular motion. Kunta. Okay, roll and pick up. Pick up, Rudy. Drop it down and pick up. Roll, yeah. Go. Okay, line up. Movement, Kunta. Roll, Kunta, let's go. The blade, follow. Single knife. Dagger. Okay, time, line up. Baston. Hand changes. Right from there, I want you to go to the wooden side out. Start out with the spider act. More. Time, more with your full top. time. Stay up with the movie Ulit Sayal, Mina Cats. Line up. Okay, Joe. And CJ. Move down, Joe. Okay, more with the single stone. More single stone. Ready? Move. Drop your stick, pick it up, reverse grip. Okay, drop and pick it up there in the middle of the stick and stop. Okay, time. Stay up there and do our mono form. On one hand, let's go. Move. Okay, line up. Give me your aura. Where's the lead tent? Rudy? Got a dagger for him. Line up. Good. Rita. This is the stay up and do the reflex exercise and have Louis done for you. Full speed. You want to see it down on the floor, down on the floor. Keep moving up. Okay, good line up. Jimenez. Yes, sir. That's great. Big boss lead you with Bangkok versus Bangkok first. Okay, reflex. Hey, get it harder, Ricky. Hit harder. Okay, stay up, Joe. Listen. Louis, sir. Beat Joe. Baston versus Baston. You want to see the technique of 1 to 12. Basic block first. Okay, go full speed now. Okay, line up. Stay up, look. CJ. Okay, Punta versus Baston. Reflex exercise. Moving in. Reflex exercise, 1 to 12. Block, check. Okay, line up. Pick your mirror. See the volleyball. meantime, I want you to do the short version of police. Let's see. Ricky, you feed down an order with Lago Mano. Or you want to see a single tennis movement? Okay, keep feeding Libre, but I want to see the tennis feeding with Libre and keep moving until I tell you to stop. You want to see the double blotto on for blotto dip. That's it. Okay, be circular. Let's go. Nine. Okay. Phil, Ricky. Louis, same thing. Stretch your body out. Lean, Louis, lean. Time, good. The knife versus knife, carenza. See that aluminum knife here? I give it to reinforce the features. Oh, use the other one. Use that other one. This one? Yeah. All the time. Take a baston. Baston versus dagger. Okay. 1 to 12 carenza. Good chip there. Okay, time. To JC. CJ, stay up with me. There you go. Thanks, good. breathe. I'll speed up and have Ricky lead you. Let's see the Spada dagger versus Spada dagger. One to 12 cadenza. Feet fast, Rick, just go. Make him move. Okay, what is up? Stay up, Rick, because Spada dagger. Down in order. Bolo versus Spada dagger. What's that 32-inch bolo? Get it home. Right here. Getting great. 1 to 12. If you sum that ball on at 12, give him some more. Okay. Do it. Everything be all feet. So a lot of person must come. Check your weight. 12. Good. Okay, Ricky, come back and finish up the form with double volleys on. Yeah, volley. Okay? Line up. Stone versus the stone on your cadenza. Feed him back. Sir. Joe. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to stay up, Rick. Keep feeding you with different weapons. Pick it up and do cadenza. Keep moving. 1 to 6. 7. Bolo next. Bolo. Check. Okay, throw the ball up. Bolo, sir. Bolo, yeah. Go. 1 to 6. Okay, dagger versus dagger. Let's go.
Accidental slip. That's right. Yeah.
Okay, line up. Louis, sir. Louis and Dan. Okay, Baston versus Baston. Agon. 1 to 6. Agon 1 to 6.
Please first.
You feed him, Dan.
Sir.
Okay, take the bowler versus bowler. Agon 1 to 6. Feed Dan and Arnold.
6 bowl.
1 to 6. Miss Armin. Up to speed, let's go. Don't get tentative on the blade. On the knuckle. Okay. Let up. Rudy. Quickly you feed Rudy with the Sinawari Paradagas. Go.
Water with the phone.
Okay, line up. Joe, Mr. Menace. Okay, the stone versus the stone. I want to see the deflecting block. Keep it, CJ. Deflecting blocking. Get him pass. Let's go. Get him pass. Okay, feed CJ the same thing. Go. Deflection and then meet a pass. Check. Meet a pass. Line up. Big mirror arm. Okay, largo mono versus largo mono. I down it on the feet. Bolo. Bolo.
Bowl.
Yeah. Good. Terenza, largo mono, Terenza.
Double tennis.
Mano.
Go back there. control. Okay, time. Here. Stay up, Ricky. Kuntal versus Baston. We have that. Kuntal versus Baston.
26.
1 to 12. 1 to 12, let's go. Okay, line up. Louis. Louis, sir. Where are you going to start your cadenza off with Bolo versus Bolo? One to six. Cadenza. Watch controls to the knuckles of the angle. Okay, short dagger. Go. Lock it before you miss it. Okay, good. The right root. Okay, good, line up. Okay, Ricky, come back up. Okay, Sinawali, let's just see the Sinawali Balasan versus Baston Cadenza, okay? And Louis, you feed him. Good. So once you control the knife. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Once you control the knife. Pick those down as you're going. Okay, Rick, stay up. Rick Haas, move up. Okay, so you know what? Bolo versus a single bolo. What's control, Rick? Go. Okay, good, line up. Big Haas.
Yes, sir.
Okay, get your dagger versus the stone. Good. Okay, Dan, move up here now. Go 2-on-1 on sir. 1 to 12. I'll take the numbers out. Let's go. I'll keep it moving. Take the other one. Shoot. Okay, good. Yes, the guy when you're feeding, you're not feeding right. Okay, you let the guy back up. Let's go. Feed him in there. If you're feeding him, let's go. Put some pressure on him. Okay, line up.
Yes, sir.
Arnoldo, you up. Okay, Kuntao versus a dagger. Want to see 1 to 6? After you carenza, we want to see the agaw on every move.
Chicken.
Set.
Yo, Louis. You can beat Louis. Same thing. Time. Bring 2 daggers up. Bring 2 daggers versus Kuntao. His arm after 1 to 6.
Grab that knife.
You're good, line up. Okay, Rick, stay up. Louis, stay up.
Sir.
Okay, we're gonna keep feeding you some. Rick, we're gonna keep feeding you with the different weapons. Okay. So stone agaw first. Then you go to the bolo. Go to the knife.
Kuntao first.
Kuntao last. Stay up. Stone versus the stone agaw.
First 6 and 6.
Bolo versus bolo. Agaw on the bolo. Wait, cover your face. Okay, small dagger.
What are you using that to
1 to 6. Okay, good. Okay, Rudy, you next. Kuntao versus dagger. Yeah, hit Rudy. Kuntao, Rudy.
56, sir?
Rudy, you okay, Rudy?
56?
1 to 6.
Grab that knife now.
Big Hodge. You see the angle on Baston versus Bastons. Feed him loop. Okay, CJ, Joe, you move over there. Joe, and CJ right here. Leonardo, move over with Joe.
Sir.
I want to see some rolling full speed. Okay, we're going to give you the level of rolling. You're going to start out high first, come down to a medium speed level, and then come down to the low. Drive him back into the ground, okay? Doing that. That's just got it. Yeah. High, medium, low. I want to see him come up on the floor. Full speed on the rolling time. Right. Move up to the drum with yeah. Sure, you want to move to the drum?
With the stand.
Okay, Rudy. Okay, see no one rolling with Rick Mirror Horror. Move over there with Rick Mayhar. Rolling. Okay, go. Rolling. Get the sparring gear ready. Okay, Rudy. Greg, you don't need no headgear.
Huh?
Over here. Okay, body shot, full speed.
Yeah.
Huh?
Full speed, let's go.
whoever needs to Dwight.
Pick up your speed a bit, Rick. Nice! Okay, good. Okay, line up. Okay, Rick and Louis. Rick Mejora and Louis. Go, shoot this. Who's cut?
Oh, it's a scratch from the demo.
Right. Okay, go wash your face, Louis. Just wash it off. Dan. And Joe. Dan and Joe. Go.
Huh? You watch us? Why?
You Joe.
Oh no, I got Dwight.
Wrap it.
They come this way. Dwight, go in.
Come on, Joe, let's go. Joe, counter.
Kenpo and
Nice. Okay, good. CJ. Louis. Go. Time. Okay, good. Body touch. Where's Ricky at? Okay, Joe, move up here with CJ. Okay, Rick? Okay, go. Time. Okay, body touch. Okay, Rick Hodge. Work with Joe. Nice. Okay, good. Okay, CJ, you dress up for with Ricky Mirahara.
Right here. Hey, Rudy. Come here, go.
Anything here? Which one of you sticks want to use?
Body from the people.
Which sticks want to use?
Huh?
Who is that?
Oh, those sticks.
CJ.
Those sticks. Hey, Rick. Hey, Joe. You and Rick House are going to be next. So dress up here. Put your arm pads on. But if you tie Rick's blouse.
You're feeling it.
It might be. A spear would do good.
Time. That's you. The stick for me. Let him get started first. Go. You know what happens when you drop your stick, don't you? Casino Wally, let's go.
Who's that Manuel's got a little?
Ricky, single bastón.
Rick Caution? Yeah. Rick Caution? Rick on the right and Joe on the left.
You are Louis.
I can't wait to see Sherry when she goes. She may not. Go kick, Daddy.
That's her feet. That's where you get out. Time. Okay, good.
And Dan Leonardo here. Louis Orlina on the other side?
Yep. Ready?
Yeah, you can tell by the Conan walk.
Hurry up, Joe. On each other.
Conan.
Go.
Louis on the left and Dan on the right.
Good.
Hard to tell with all this gear.
Put the stick together. Go. Dan, kick, let's go.
His thing flew.
Nice. Okay. Okay, good. Good job. Okay.
Next Friday is the next test. A week from now.
full circle, Rudy.
That was my job.
Sifu JoJo? Okay, the ceremony on Arnis is just a little bit different from the Kenpo, but basically will be the same type of presentation. Only that instead of having a belt, we're gonna bring down the sash. As you guys know, we go from white all the way up to the red, and the red sash or the red jacket will be the maestro certification for Ricky. When he goes back to college in Minnesota, he wants to teach the Arnis over there. So he'll be certified tonight after this test. The testing altogether looks pretty good. We haven't had an Arnis test in probably about 6 years, and this is the first time that we certified somebody in our school to be a maestro. So Ricky is the first one. What we were looking on the test is the handling of the weapons. See if you guys can handle the stick all the way up to the dagger. And in Rick's case, he had to handle the Sinawali stick along with the balisan, which takes a long time to get used to flipping those knives and flipping back up when you guys moving in for a cadenza. So those are the things that we're looking for in Arnis. Most of you guys did pretty good on the handling of the weapons. The cadenza looks pretty good. Some of you guys are still having problem with your agile. And when I talk to you again, probably later on in the class, I'll let you know which one. Some of you are still slow. You're still moving pretty slow on your stick work. So we have to break those down and go over them again. The sparrings look good. We have to work a little bit on the rolling because everybody's still having problems with rolling. Okay, we're going to go down the line here and have everybody make a comment on you guys. Bruno.
I'm very impressed with what I supervised by my student. I'd like to commend Mr. Dan, Mr. JoJo for teaching you guys. I haven't seen Arnis exam in 3 years. That's the last time I attended one. So you could see how far apart the exams are. And you guys did good. A lot of progress. And you have to appreciate what you did. Don't try to get something. If you try to get something for free, you would appreciate it that much. Okay. Compared to when you have to pay with your sweat, blood, pain, tears maybe, later on. If you cry in your own house. That's what you have to pay for. I'm very impressed.
You all look very, very good. You all have heart. You all have determination. It seems as though you guys' energy level goes up, and you guys tried really, really hard. And that's what I was looking at.
Congratulations to all you guys.
Good test, guys. Next time I'll be with you. Hopefully.
Okay, this was the first Arnis test that I've seen. And every one of you is very inspiring for me, okay? This is something I would like to continue like you guys. And Rick, Good luck. Very good test.
I thought everyone did very well. Very well. But for the other guys, saying down, you need to work on your footwork a little bit. If you compare your footwork to Ricky's footwork, then you can see the difference. And that's, after a while, footwork makes everything and how smooth you are. It doesn't matter how fast you are or whether you can move real quick. It's how smooth you are after a while. I'm very impressed with Dan and Woody and all these guys. This Chris was my little brother. I thought he did very well. I'm very proud.
I want to say something about Sifu Rudy. You know, Sifu Rudy is going to be, I think he says he's 58 years old. And if you really look at him at his movement, even in Kenpo, you know, he still moves around the probably the 35 to the 40 level. So it's amazing how it doesn't matter about your age. It's just everything comes from the heart, and that was shown in Sifu Rudy when he tests tonight. So we want to wish Ricky all the good luck in his first venture out of San Diego. Probably this is the first time that he's going to be away from mom and dad. You know, we know him since he was 6 years old, and here he's already 20. This is probably the, I don't know how many tests he took in the studio, Cepeda Brothers Martial Arts Studio, including the Arnis. So Ricky has went through a lot. He really didn't hang around with the young guys when he was training, because most of the time he was in here. He was training with us. So after he trained, he was more mature when he was training in the martial arts. And then he saw that 2 years of going back to the young teenage mode, and then finally he came back again to himself. So we're happy to see that. And we wish him all the luck in school. He's going away a long ways, Minnesota, right, Rick? So we're going to see him here next August, the 6th. If I have to send him the plane ticket, because we want him over here for the celebration, the 20th anniversary. I don't think that the celebration won't be a celebration unless Rick is here. So we're going to try and get him back here. We won't probably see him until then.
Yes, we do.
That's a long ways. So I hope that everything goes out all right. Okay, we're going to bring the sash down. And in keeping with the tradition of Arnis, what we usually do is give him a gift from myself, and then the maestro in here, and then we'll give him his red jacket, and that means that he's certified to teach Arnis any place. Ricky. For me and Ricky, we're going to give it the whole everything. I'll take that vest off. That's a t-shirt. We just need a Ringside, you want to do something? You want to go in the front after you pass that down? Maybe do that packet to the whole community. Got it open.
For your test, Rick.
This is small Chris.